Disruptions happen all the time. Being able to respond to the disruptions, being able to evaluate those real-time scenarios is a critical capability. And in order to be able to do that, we need to create a data environment where we are able to see all of the changes on a continuous basis.
Absolutely, Sanjiv. And so when you are dealing with real-time information that's coming through based upon weather events, based upon stockouts, that information needs to show up to the human in the loop in real time. That's really sort of the next step in terms of now bringing together that collaboration between the human and the AI. And so we wanted to show the audience a little bit of a snippet of what this could look like.
In complex manufacturing, operational performance is won or lost in execution, not in static dashboards. This is what an operational command center looks like in a live, always-on control tower view, designed to run on large displays in a control room environment. It shows production health, material risk, supplier delays, order commitments, and capacity constraints, all in real time. Not just dashboards for reporting, but rather a decision cockpit for operational leaders.